The 2025 Toyota Camry XSE stands as a symbol of evolution within the midsize sedan world. While many automakers have shifted their focus toward crossovers and SUVs, Toyota remains committed to the classic sedan formula, and the Camry continues to prove why this choice still matters. With its ninth generation, Toyota has completely redefined what a family sedan can be, merging efficiency, sophistication, and technology in a single well-balanced package. At first glance, the 2025 Camry XSE exudes a bold and dynamic presence. Its new design language aligns it with Toyota's latest lineup, featuring a sharper front fascia, sleek LED lighting, and a more aggressive stance. The front end now carries a low-slung profile with a wider grille and a sportier bumper, emphasizing the XSE's athletic personality. The coupe-like silhouette gives the car an elegant yet powerful character, making it look more premium and performance-oriented than ever before. Every angle seems sculpted to blend form and function, aerodynamic efficiency meets eye-catching appeal. Under the hood, Toyota has made a significant change that marks a new era for the Camry. The once available V6 engine has been retired, replaced entirely by a new hybrid powertrain. This decision aligns with Toyota's global electrification strategy and the growing demand for eco-friendly vehicles. The 2025 Camry XSE is powered by a 2.5-liter inline-four engine paired with Toyota's latest hybrid system, delivering impressive performance while maximizing fuel efficiency. The combination of gasoline and electric power ensures smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and minimal emissions. The hybrid system also introduces an advanced all-wheel drive option, a rare feature in this segment. The all-wheel drive model produces slightly more power and provides superior grip and stability, making it ideal for drivers who face challenging weather or simply prefer a more confident drive. The system intelligently distributes power between the front and rear wheels, ensuring the Camry feels planted and composed on any road surface. Inside, the 2025 Camry XSE continues to raise the bar for comfort and technology. The cabin has been completely redesigned with a focus on luxury, functionality, and modern design. Premium materials cover every surface, from soft touch panels to contrast stitching on the seats. The driver-centric cockpit is sleek and intuitive, featuring a large, high-resolution touchscreen that houses Toyota's latest infotainment interface. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless connectivity come standard, offering seamless smartphone integration. Toyota has also worked hard to improve the driving experience with advanced features that make daily commuting a pleasure. The seating position offers excellent visibility, while the bolstered sport seats of the XSE trim provide both comfort and support during spirited drives. Ambient lighting, high-quality sound insulation, and dual-zone climate control create a serene and relaxing atmosphere inside the cabin. The trunk offers generous cargo space, making the Camry a practical choice for families and professionals alike. When it comes to safety, Toyota remains unmatched. The 2025 Camry XSE includes the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of driver assistance technologies designed to protect and assist. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and pedestrian detection. These intelligent systems work seamlessly to enhance driver confidence, whether on the highway or in city traffic. On the road, the 2025 Camry XSE delivers a balanced driving experience that blends comfort with agility. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned to offer responsive handling without compromising ride quality. Steering feels precise, and the car maintains excellent stability through corners. The hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, linear power, and the transition between electric and gasoline modes is nearly imperceptible. Whether cruising down a highway or navigating urban streets, the Camry feels composed and efficient. One of the most impressive aspects of the new Camry is its efficiency. Toyota's hybrid technology allows the XSE to achieve remarkable fuel economy figures, helping drivers save money at the pump while reducing their carbon footprint. Yet, the car still manages to feel energetic and capable, proving that efficiency and performance can coexist. From a design and technology standpoint, the 2025 Camry XSE bridges the gap between practicality and excitement. It's not just a commuter car, it's a refined and stylish machine that appeals to both the head and the heart. The bold exterior ensures it stands out in traffic, while the premium interior and advanced hybrid system make it a pleasure to live with every day. Toyota's decision to keep the Camry alive in a market dominated by SUVs is more than a business move, it's a statement of confidence. It shows that sedans still have a place for those who value elegance, efficiency, and driving enjoyment. The 2025 Camry XSE embodies all these traits with a fresh and modern interpretation. In many ways, this car represents the perfect balance between tradition and innovation. It respects the legacy of the Camry name, reliability, comfort, and value, while embracing the future with electrified power and advanced technology. For anyone who still believes in the timeless appeal of a sedan, the 2025 Toyota Camry XSE offers compelling proof that evolution doesn't mean extinction. The new Camry stands not just as a car, but as a symbol of Toyota's vision for the modern driver, efficient, stylish, and intelligently engineered. It's a reminder that even in a world obsessed with SUVs, there's still something special about the grace and performance of a well-built sedan. With its bold looks, hybrid innovation, and refined comfort, the 2025 Toyota Camry XSE is more than ready to carry the torch into the next generation of automotive excellence.